Hi, Lance. Hi, Ninang. I miss you. My God. You guys. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on? My God. Ang daming stress. Mga haggard na sila. See you soon. You love my hair. Ano na siya, nag-fade lang. From red to ombre red and blue na naging purple, na naging white na. Pa-white na siya. Na baka bumalik sa red na ewan, or baka maging buzz cut, or maging I don't know. Chayes. Hello everyone. Hi So, ayun. Mag-iintay tayo ng mga update sa mga bading. Anong update ng mga bading? Sa galing niyang gigil na ba ang lahat? Yes. Diba? Imagine niyo nalaman ko siya 1 year na akong nanditong nagda-drug yata. Or no. Basta, parang bago matapos yung 2023 that time, nalaman ko yata yung story na yan. Imagine mo kung gaano ko siya katagal, parang, oh my God, nangyari siya kay Moonlight. And, alam mo yun, tas, girl, kung alam niyo lang kung paano siya, like, biglang makakita lang siya ng something na matitrigger na siya. Tas, during show, umiiyak. Grabe yung effect niya sa mental health. Kasi parang kasing before nung siya, parang hindi naman siya ganun daw siya kabuild sa kanya. Kasi parang, shit, kasama niya sa mga shows, ganyan. Parang kasi diba as a baby bagets tapos nagda-drug ka, mamaya na ako maglalaro. Na parang, shit, na-fulfill ko yung fantasy ko na yung Ariana daw siya. Diba yun nga kasama niya sa rally? Parang before, di pa niya ganun na-realize. Tapos nag-hit na lang sa kanya ng, ay, mali pala yun na nangyari sa kanya, yung and shit. So, pag nakakaano siya ng mga trigger siya nung during or after show, or lalo pag nalalasing, bigla na lang iiyak si bakla sa amin, mga ganun. Yan yung tinwit ko last year, na, malamang it's not my story to tell, diba? Buti na lang talaga nagkaroon na ng tapang si Moonlight i-share. So, ayun, kumbaga parang nakaganon siya ng konti na ilabas niya. Kasi sobrang konti lang nang may alam. Like, super close friends lang. Tapos ngayon, kanina nasa barangay daw nila. Like, girl, ang tatapang ng mga ngayon, tatapang ng mga ngayon, mga harassment. The audacity. Di ko gets. Yes. Tapos, di ba nag-show pa nga si Moonlight ngayon? So parang, low-key hindi namin sinasabi na kaya hindi nakikipagkita kasi, nasa Hosik, nagpe-prepare for a show. Buti na lang, parang din na heads up nila na baka kasi yun nga pag nalaman na nag-show, biglang pumunta doon, tapos doon mag-extend. Buti na lang na parang na-heads upan din yung prod na, uy, pakianuhan to, like, ganito ganyan. So, wala naman so far, wala naman nangyari sa Hosik. Like, di naman daw nagpunta. Bulit tong Ang dami pa nilang ganun. Dalawa pa lang yung lumalabas. Dalawa pa lang yung napapalanganan. Oh my God, that's so very Catriona, napapalanganan. Oh my God, that's napapangalanan. Madami pa sila sa industry. I hope guys, kung alam nyo. Doon yung iba hinahate nyo naman na, so, Chanez! Dapat nga pumunta ako ng Hosik kanina. Hindi pa ako natutulog kasi yung ayokong matulog ng maaga. Ayoko matulog ng maaga kasi pag natulog ako ngayon, kunyari parang like 12 midnight to something 8 or 9. Basta mababago yung pattern ko. Name drop, may Rugal daw sa Hosik nag-something. Si ang inyong lingkod, kung sino man yung tinutukoy nyo, Mystic Lexi. Like the fuck? Over the fucking breakfast? Ganun yung mga sasabihin mo. Again, hindi naman sa akin nangyari, so hintayin na lang natin ulit kung sino man siya. Pero meron pang isa. Nakilala ko. Meron pa din isa, nakilala ko din. Meron din isa pa, hindi naman siya drag queens. Pero, akla. So, kung yung mga 1, 2, 3. Tapos yung dalawang na pangalanan, 5. Tapos parang, fuck. Bakla, tigil niyo yun. Isama pa natin yung mga guest na bigla na lang kaming hahalikan. Kaya igagrab kami sa ano. Imagine niyo kahit nakakadera kami, parang igagrab kami sa, or yung sa Pepe na part na doon. Parang, girl, rule number 1, do not touch your queen. Yung queen na magnanakaw. Sino yon? Sino yun siya? Diba? Like, girl. Mag-iingat kayo talaga sa mga show o hey ng mga King Nemble or King Nelson. Anyways, binigyan kami ni Mua nung ng lipstick nung nag-rehearse kami sa Rampa. So, nandun pala kami sa Rampa sa Sunday. It's like, ano tawag doon? It's, kumbaga parang, hindi naman siya team, ano bang pwedeng term? Ang aga. Ayan, si Harold, magsasalit Chares. Parang ano siya, pagkakabuklod-buklod. Chares. Ano siya, parang show siya for like, ano ba, ang hirap naman eh. Basta nandun yung mga taga-Nectar, nandun yung mga taga-Rapture, nandun yung mga taga-Crib, nandun yung may royalties, may Rampa Reynas, di ba? Parang, it's it's the camaraderie. Basta punta kayo dito sa sa Rampa, it's their 1 week launch, grand launch, long, a week long launch, parang ganon. What the fuck? Lutang na ako. Na ko lang yung skincare sa aking thighs. Like, sa rehearsal pa lang, pasabog yung mga prod nila. Yung malas like, ang gagaling ng Rampa Reynas. Fairness. The future of Philippine drag. Also, napanood yun na ba yung ni Evangelism ni Taylor Shish? Tangina, isang oras akong tumatawa. Ang ingay, ang gulo. Puro have yung mga chika niya. Ano pa ba mga chika ko? Ayun, may show nga sa Sunday, Rampa. Tapos next week, ano bang schedule ko next week? Birthday ni Galigash, may himala. Abangan nyo kung anong Lady Gaga gagawin ko. Kung anong song. Mag-request nga kayo ng, anong gusto, like hindi talaga ako diba, nag-Lady Gaga. So, parang ngayon, naamasin ko siya. Now, wala pa akong final na amas. Then sa Rampa sa Sunday, bagong piyesa, Tusabog. Ito yung alam nyo naman siguro yung intro na to. So paparinig ko sa inyo kung ano yung gagawin ko sa Sunday. Intro lang, intro. Oh, you were only waiting for this moment. Oh my God, hi Mod! Hi Mama Manila. Oh my God. There's a lot of going on here in the Philippines. And we We are not living for it. Hindi ako magba-Blackbird. Hindi ako magba-Beyonce. Si Winter ang magba-Beyonce sa Sunday. We missed you, Mom. I don't know if you all already knew what's happening here. It's about Charis. Tagal naman ng intro, wait. Kulang. Wait. Compose yourself. Viva ka tao. Wait, ano ba ba? Hi, Mom!
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay, everyone! How are you, Mom? Oh my God.
We have 9 viewers.
Yeah. And we're gonna...
So what's going on in the Philippines? What's going on?
There's so much issue about sexual harassment.
Wait, what?
Sexual harassment by some famous drag queens, like TV queens.
Are they from our franchise?
It's from both drag shows.
Mm.
And like yeah.
Oh my gosh, what's going on?
The issue brought what do you call this? It started in Twitter. Then some of the victims are speaking up about it.
About what? Being harassed?
Yeah, being harassed by these drag queens.
By drag queens? Oh my gosh.
These TV queens are harassing the what do you call this? Drag queens too. Actually, like
Well, I guess
some of them are baby queens.
What?
Just starting doing drag. Then
oh my gosh.
like they are acting like their mother at first, then they're doing it now. Like,
Dang. We have to be careful. We have to make sure that everyone is aware of how to conduct themselves. And I'm sorry that's happening.
yeah, actually, then
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
then parang like the tweet blew up, then so they already did actions. They canceled their shows. The fans calling out these queens.
Really?
Yeah.
This is happening on Twitter? I suggest everyone delete their Twitter accounts. Jesus. Except, well, I mean, I keep my Twitter because that's where you can see naked people. You can see porn stars on Twitter.
You can you can watch we can watch pre-corn there.
Yes. But only if it's consensual, right?
Period. Consent is always needed.
Oh my gosh. Well, I hope that the people are going to stop doing their that's bad. But like what does it consist of? Like what does that mean?
And oh my God, what do you call this? There's a lot of victims, but they're still afraid to speak up about it. I mean, this one queen has a lot of victims. There's a lot of quote retweets that says that, oh, they did that to me, like because she's drunk.
Oh
That's
my
the reason. I mean, people don't accept that, not just because you're drunk, you're like excuse to do that.
yeah, for sure. Well, I
You blame
mean,
the alcohol.
that's it is. Um, it's always risky when you are around people under influences of
Yeah.
substances like alcohol or drugs. And I can see, because drag queens can get we can get a heightened sense of, um, was it power?
Or like
It's not the
pretty
right word, but
privileged to get guys or to
yeah,
connect
like,
easily with people.
I suppose. Well, it is a learning. It is something that we have to all learn, to control our actions.
Exactly.
Um, and sometimes we have to learn the hard way, right?
Yeah.
Not everyone is going to be able to know right off the bat how to behave. A lot of people aren't going to know right off the bat how to react.
Yeah.
So hopefully it isn't. Well, I mean, I don't know. I don't really know what the accusations are. Like, is it like assault, or is it just like verbal harassment? Is it like, I don't even know.
Yeah.
Because I know that, like, you could, like, I've been to the clubs in the Philippines. I know that they can get really packed in there. So, I have been groped a little bit in some of the clubs um, I mean, clubs all over the world have been, like, it's kind of, you know, it's hard to avoid because there's so many people that like try to like get into the club. So like people are going to be touching you,
Yeah.
and it really kind of depends on how you're feeling. If someone touches you on the shoulder, is that like consensual, or is that like welcome or whatever? I don't know. It's really difficult. I mean, obviously, like if someone like just goes and grabs your boobs, like that's
Yeah.
one thing, like
But
grabs.
most of them didn't happen in bars,
Uh,
actually.
oh well, then never mind. Okay.
It didn't happen in clubs, in bars. It happened in because the other victim was a personal assistant. Then it happened in hotel. It happened in someone's house.
Oh.
So that's the
Okay. So this is like, okay.
it didn't happen in drag, actually.
Oh. Okay.
That's a fact of like taking advantage of someone's age, because it's like you can like easily manipulate younger drag queens.
Yeah, that happened. That happened. Some rumors of that had happened, many years ago, to one of my, um, to to a drag queen that I know, um, and was using their position as, at like, to get other drag queens to do things that they weren't comfortable with. And I know that's really difficult because, there's so few opportunities for someone to do drag, and it can be hard because you're like, well, do I really want to be able to do my drag? There's only so many places I can do it. This
Yeah,
might be the only like way. Should I allow this to happen? Is this worth it? Is it worth? But I guess really it would depend on the person themselves, because like, I don't know. Um, Show business can be like that. That's the thing about it,
yeah,
and that's what like happened with the whole hashtag Me Too, um, It's like a lot of actresses were, being in the they're called casting couch. You know, you have to sleep with the producer in order to get
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah, yeah.
role.
Oh, yeah, exactly. So what? That's
Yeah. So I mean, that sucks. But I mean, well, hopefully everyone, hopefully, you know, people get the help that they need,
yeah,
and hopefully the actions stop, and hopefully this is a lesson for everyone else to use, so that this behavior does not continue. That sucks. It happens everywhere, and that's the reality of it. Not that that's good,
yeah.
but that's really, really sad to see people abusing their position, um,
Yeah.
to take advantage of people, especially younger people. How are you? Let's change the subject.
I'm good. I'm doing good. Looking
Yeah,
blessed. Still gorgeous. You know, you're still the
you look
prettiest from
absolutely
my
stunning.
season, right?
Hmm. You
I'm
look
good,
so
yeah.
stunning.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a show this Sunday at Rampa. They moved
Oh,
location already. They don't have the old one.
wait,
They
they
have a
moved to
bigger
Rumba?
bar, bigger stage. Yeah.
Oh, already?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. How would, no, wait. I don't care about the stage or the bigger the bar. I want to know how, is it a bigger dressing room?
Yeah, it's a bigger dressing room, and there is the dressing room allocated for like TV queens. You know, if they will have a international queen, yeah,
Okay.
the dressing room is damn fine. It's good. It's air conditioned and couch. They have a couch
What's
at
the
the
couch
dressing room.
for?
I don't know, maybe for their comfort or what. But the queens for like TV queens, international queens, if they will book it. They have different dressing room already.
Okay, cool.
When is Dragon Divisoria coming? They're
Mm.
asking. They are asking. Mm,
I don't know. I don't make a,
mm.
I don't make up the schedule. I just
You
show up
guys
to
wait.
do my job
Yeah,
whenever they call me in for work.
we're just waiting. We're just waiting too.
I know. I can't wait. I can't wait. Um, yeah, because I need more clothes. I've already worn all my costumes
I
from Drag
remembered last
1 and
season
2.
how many how many luggage you brought here in the Philippines. It's like the entire airport is all yours.
That was not like that was just a
Same,
picture of that was just a picture of the baggage claim. I just
right?
pretended like it was all my luggage.
I thought it's all yours, man. Like, oh my god, did she really bought that? That a lot? Is she only the
Oh my.
passenger on the plane?
I'm the only passenger on all flights. Um, yeah. I mean, I don't know when I'm coming back. I'm really busy here.
Yeah,
Um,
maybe so.
and I
Domestic.
also don't want to go during the rainy season because I don't want to be caught in a
Oh my
typhoon
god,
again.
it's starting. It's starting.
Mm.
So freaking messy here when it rains.
Yeah.
The streets are flooded. People are
Yeah.
too, people are too lazy to go out when it's raining. So during
Well, I mean, it's,
shows,
yeah. Why? The traffic is bad enough. Why be in traffic and be in the
being
rain?
rain. Go.
Yeah. Um, that's fine. What else are you up to besides doing shows?
Um, I have free time, I'm like constructing some performances. What's the stupid things to do in drag?
Mm.
Yeah, I'm leaning more into comedy now.
Oh, good.
She a comedy queen.
She's a comedy queen
I
now. I don't know.
watched
I
again
love.
my season, and I realized that that's the thing, I didn't do that. So I'm trying to learn, and maybe I'm gonna go back in season 3 or so. I don't know.
You're
They
so funny.
wanted me.
Um, Yeah, find a funny drag mix. That's so easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't even have to tell the jokes. It's already like in the track.
They want they
Um,
want that here.
what about, do you have a boyfriend now?
I, I did date this guy, but things didn't match between us.
Oh,
No,
both bottom.
none. So I'm back in my whole phase.
Good for you, girl. That's my girl.
I am back in
That's my
my
tribe
whole
daughter.
phase, right?
I have never left my hoe phase. It just gets hoier and hoier.
Same. Oh my god.
Oh,
We don't want to waste this phase.
mm-mm. How old are you now?
20. Oh my god. I realized I just turned 26.
Oh, you're still a baby. So young.
Oh my god. I'm gonna turn 27 this year. Oh my
Yeah. 20,
god.
26.
I joined drag then. Oh my god. I'm
You
24 that time.
were 24, right? Oh my
And
gosh, time.
I'm doing drag for professionally for 6 months. That time. I'm just a 6 month baby drag queen from Rapture.
Mm. Yeah, you were so young. Oh, you were so inexperienced. Oh my gosh. Wow.
But I learned a lot now.
Oh, good. And the drag scene is doing well out there. Well, I
Yeah,
know there
there's a
was.
lot of shows here and there.
Have we have they um is there any other like large production company that's putting on shows? Because I know that like Beyond kind of messed
They,
things up for a lot
yeah.
of queens.
We have here, but most of the production is only book, girls. But they are including some Den girls already. Yeah, we have Playhouse by Evil Queen, the Adonis. Yeah, the Deja, Odasha and Shawarma are there. Last last Sunday,
Okay, cool.
Deja is in hosting last night. I wasn't able
Yeah,
to go because I'm too lazy to party.
I hate going out to party, honestly,
You
unless I'm being paid. I know I'm a
exactly.
very I know how to party. I can party. I'm really good at it, but
But
you have to pay me.
we need
Otherwise,
that. We need that.
yeah, because I've done it for too long. Every weekend for 20 years.
Imagine.
I'm done.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Oh,
that's my thing lately. I don't go out to party anymore.
no. Well, why should you?
Am I getting old?
You work in nightlife. Your job is going to parties.
But
Your job is to be the party,
yeah,
right?
but I don't. If I don't have shows, I don't want to go out. I just want to stay here and invite
Okay.
some guys.
Because you and your whole face.
Because I'm in my whole phase.
Oh my gosh.
No,
Oh,
I'm just kidding.
fatale. Femme fatale.
No.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just like playing Fortnite all
Oh,
night and
sure.
doing
Sure, you're a
wigs.
fortnight. Is that what they're calling it now?
Yeah, doing wigs or what do I do? Of course, I'm doing my laundry,
Yeah,
my
I'm doing
drug
laundry
stuff.
too.
Of course, you need to wash your drug stuff, girls. PSA to all drag queens. You need to
Yeah.
wash your clothes, wash your brushes, your wigs.
Yeah, I have to do that actually.
Uh, I have my drug outfits
Oh,
under my
wow.
bed. Yeah, there's a lot.
Wow.
There's
So
the outfit from drag
much.
bed. Oh my god, my promo look. Now here, the mushroom, the
Fabulous.
psychedelic mushroom, and
Oh,
this
wow.
the susta. I keep all of them.
Well, I mean, yeah, you put the energy and the money to get them made, so you might as well keep it,
Period.
you know? And then you only get rid of stuff when you need more space, I guess.
And yeah, I already sold a lot, but still so many. I have a lot of clothes that I don't use. So sometimes I gave them to baby drag queens that I don't
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I I got rid of like most of the drag that I don't use.
use.
So I I have to get more drag so that I can stop using drag, so that I can give some drag away.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's funny though because like I have drag that is, you know, like I have like dresses or outfits that aren't very special. Like there's nothing really. It's like it's like a sparkly
Yeah, I
dress,
got it.
you know, and it doesn't really it. But I wear those ones more than I wear like some of my really really fancy
They,
good drag.
it's more like I ordered online, then you can see that for the whole week I'm wearing that outfit. Then okay, you're done. I'm
Yeah.
gonna throw you in the drawer. And next outfit. Oh my god. But some of the custom like outfits from designers, like, mm,
Yeah.
you only um get to wear in the special occasions.
Yeah, that's the hard part too. Because I have some drag that's like so complicated, like I can't bring it anywhere because it's like
Right?
it will take up a whole suitcase, and then I have to have it like steamed and ironed
Right. So
and fluffed
a
out
lot of
before
things
I can
to
wear it
do.
again. So I get that. I get that. That's why I like drag. I like my drag to be really small, stretchy, so that I can wear it even if I get a little fat, because sometimes that happens, especially around Christmas time.
I
Every
can
Christmas, I gain
can
10
relate.
pounds.
Yeah.
Every Christmas, I gain 10 pounds. And then I have to, it's nice to have a dress that's stretchy.
It's easy to adjust.
And it does, and if it doesn't wrinkle, then it's even better because then it can go into my suitcase and I don't have to worry about.
We gotta try.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I miss you, Fiva.
When we gonna go back here?
I
So
need
like we're gonna
to
hike.
come back. I want to like make a trip, but like right now I'm so busy
So we
and
book and
tickets are
blast. Yeah.
expensive, and you know the economy it sucks right now for everyone all around the world, especially here in America. And if it sucks in America, I can only imagine it sucks everywhere else.
What more here
So
in the Philippines?
what?
Oh my god. Here in the Philippines, they elected already the senators that has cases about corruption. Like,
Oh,
people didn't learn.
oh, baby, all politicians are corrupt. You know?
They still in the Senate.
Yeah. They should make rules. Well, I mean, obviously the people in power aren't going to make the rule, but you shouldn't be able to have
It's something like
like you
it
shouldn't be
can
able to
stop
have any
them
money if
for
you're
running in elections. No
yeah. Oh well, politics. That sucks.
politics, power, yeah, money.
Well, it doesn't matter as long as you
Yeah,
enjoy living your life and you treat people with respect.
period. As long as
Period. Baby, I
you're
love you. It was
free.
so good to talk to you. What
Yeah,
time is
see
it
you
there?
soon. Let's have a show here in the Philippines. Like they are asking about Drag Den concert, season 1 and season 2 Queens. So
Yeah.
we need to do that when you're here now.
Okay. Let's do it.
They're
All right.
asking
Love
for it.
you.
Bye,
I'll
man.
talk
See
to you
you
later.
soon.
Bye.
Oh my God. So, ayun. Konting chikahan, konting update. Kasi wala pa talagang tulog ang e-girl. Tapos, English yan eh. Tete, nakalimutan ko pabuksan yung aircon. Init na ako. Sabi ko, ba't mainit? Bakla, hindi tama itong nag-live. Alam mo, kaya, bakla written na lang dapat, nag-chat na lang dapat kami. Mas scary ko pang mag-English-English ng chat. nauhaw ako. Natuyo, eto wa natuyo yung lalamunan ni Water Dye. Ako, ganyan na talaga ako. Bakla hindi talaga nang walang tulog. Ako lang yung si Mara yung yapper, ako yung nonchalant. Kaya pala siguro hiniwalayan ako. Chares. Hindi kasi ako chumichika. Baka tignan mo yung pawis ko talaga, Doy. Oh my God. Nakakatawa. Dahil, eto, totoo naman kasi talaga, nakaka-intimidate pa din. Tapos, kahit sa drag din before, sino na naman, hindi, parang sa drag din, pag kinisika niya kami sa backstage, parang sila, ang magaling kasi di ba mag-English sila, Margot, si Tan, kami nila Deja. Yeah, oh my God, ganun lang kami, pare-pareho kami. Si Moy talaga, si Moy yung tapos ang bilis mo magsalita dahil bakla yung ko talaga, parang, yung meme na ngayon. Ganun yung kakakita ko ng ganun. Ito pinagpawisan talaga ako, Emi. Para ako nawalan ng 1 kilong pawis. Ganun yung atake. Oh my God, teka nga. Natatawa na lang ako. Hindi ako pwede pang all-stars. Hindi ako magaling mag-English ng pag ayan na. Ilang yan. Kailangan pala pagkakausapin ko siya lasing ako. Magaling ako pag lasing na ako. Magaling ako mag-eme-eme. Baka pinagpawisan talaga ako, Diyos ko Lord. Kaya sabi ko, ay, look at my Canada Bumblebee. Ang hirap magsalita, ang hirap i-explain sa kanya ng nangyayari sa mundo. Awa na lang, Lord. Ba't mo ako ginawang kabado? Actually, biglang ba't talaga ako, wait, Mama Manila. I'm keeping up on your words. Hold up. Hold up. Wait, hold up. Ang mahalaga, yeah, it's not the language. It's, the connection. It doesn't matter if you have a right or wrong grammar. What matters is the connection between you and the people you are talking to. There is no language barrier in between. You know what is the universal language? Love. Yeah, oh my God, oh my God, anong name niya? Nico no sa IG, yan, nandun sila. Nagbigay sila ng gift, eto. Binigay niya kami ng collagen candy, ng mga face mask and everything. Kasi na-meet ko sila before sa rampa, tapos oh my God, sila sa show namin nila na iya. But ngayon ka nag-i-English? Oh my God. Because, Manila Luzon warmed me up. Warm me up! Ayun, Miko ni sabi ko. Naalala ko sa yung, yun yung naalala ko sa kanila. Yun yung naalala ko sa kanila. So, yeah, oh my God, it was intense. Oh my God, my English is not Englishing, but right now it's like, Englishing kasi. Yeah. They are friends with Pauline. After the culture gig, the day after that, they have dinner, I think. Sila Kiko, yeah, like super bad, and oh my God, they still know us. They have a letter for us. Where is that? Basahin natin. This one is from Carlene. She said she shed seashells, but fan sila ng mga drag queens here. Actually, they, they're, they, they were, oh my God. Actually, mas amas nila yung mga draga ng, like, di ba, unang naging amat nila si Marina. Parang nag-try sila manood ng mga local queens. And they enjoyed it. They have letters for us. Sabi niya ay Ana taga Hoshimoto Bada. Charis. Kanta yun siya. Sabi niya, Mitsumitai, Matiri, wala, nagulat talaga ako na oh my God. Nagulat talaga ako na nandoon sila. I wasn't expecting them to be there. Yeah, she gave me this. This is dashi soup powder, seafood, and matcha. She said this is a savory soup. We're gonna like mix this with mix siya ng charis. Ito nga lagay na natin ito sa yung itong live na to talaga pang lang yung oh my God, I'm gonna do my skincare and something like I'm gonna yap a little. Umakyat siya sa live. Shit. Teka lang naman. I wasn't expecting that to happen like in friggin' 5:30 a.m. Imagine me like, oh my God, I don't have a friggin' sleep. Then suddenly I'm gonna talk to like half American, half Filipino friggin' drag queen from Drag Race season 2. Season 2 ba siya? Season 3. My God, the host of Drag Race Philippines. God, the friggin' icon, Manila fucking Luzon. Girl. Di, pero may parang, ano bang taon ako noon? Parang nakita ko siya sa meron siyang article sa ABS na parang, Drag Queen Kineme, Manila, Luzon, channeling Bumblebee, joins Drag Race, Camerot Bumblebee. Parang, what's friggin' Drag Race? What's Manila, Luzon? Sobrang Latina. Hindi ba nakaka-racist? Hindi ba to racist? Pag sinabi, sobrang Latina. Hindi ka naman Latina. Tsaka like, don't call me Latina. I'm not Latina. I'm Filipino. My God. I'm not Latina. I am proud to be Filipino. Don't take that away from me. I'm a Filipino who speaks English. I can speak Spanish too. Porque contigo yo ya escogí aram kura sa taso pri. I'm a bilingual queen. I'm a multilingual queen. I can speak Bisaya, Yawa. I can speak Kapampangan, Maragul Butu, Mangantana, Taknay Damo, Murit, Nimal. Girl, I can speak Korean. 안녕하세요. I'm gonna collect my pins. I have a Sabrina one. I'm gonna put it here. Because this girl, Carlene, said, you should put that in your cup. Here it is, girl. Here it is, bitch. This is one is from Jess. Kay Carlene galing. Tapos lalagyan ko dito ng flower. Tingnan niyo yung mga ko. Mga flowers. Mga sunflower na tuyo na. Tapos ang cute nung last time kasi etong isa, di ba yung muko. Tapos nandito siya sa ulo. Pagkagising ko, ay, tinakpan yung niya. Nagkaroon siya ng sombrero na sunflower. That's so freaking cute. Binanghina ako dun talaga, che. Bakit kasi sa live siya? Kaya napapatingin ako dun, parang sabi ko, walang kodi ko dito. Sasabihin ko kay ma'am. Ito talaga. Ganda lang. Abnaggangal. Ano to? Abnagganal. 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 Oh my God, tapos meron siyang binigay din na photos. This is our first selfie. Ito si Mikuni, di ba? Mikuni. This was my show from Rampa. I did the Adele. Avril, te. Avril. Avril na ano. Mas, oh my God. Hey, yun ba yun? Hey, I want a girlfriend, you know, you're gonna see that, yeah, I think so. Then I have Sabrina. Hey, I'm back together. Yeah, sino yun? Confetti din. Silang dalawa lagi magka-tandem. Anong kulay yung hair ko? I don't know. Ano na next na color ng hair? Black. I'm enjoying it. I don't know my next hairstyle. Maybe I'm gonna do a mullet. Because, I don't want to remove this because walang makakaupitan yung mga hairpins. Because your girl always wanted to do like the hair flip girly. Dapat nagpa-libre ka sa kanila. Charis. We don't do that here. We don't like make us as a fans the mga things we need in life, in our personal life. You know what I mean? We don't need our fans to buy our tickets and mayhem concerts. Amazon. And you guys, to my supporters, I don't want to call you fans because you're my friends. And friends are family, and family are what? Sickening. Period. I don't want to, what do you call this? I don't want you guys. No, I don't. I appreciate your gifts, but it's not, required to give me gifts. I appreciate it, like, freaking a lot. But save your money. I only need I only need you to watch my show, go to my shows, tip me. Yeah, that's required. Freaking required. Ang arte tang inang buhay to. Kayo na pa nag-iinarte dito. Pero huwag na kayong amamat na mga mamahaling gamit. Pumunta lang kayo sa show, manood kayo. Palakpakan niyo ako, story niyo ako, ganun. Tapos pagdasal niyo din ako. Ipagdasal niyo din ako, gano'n. Okay na yon. Kasi pasabog kayo, tignan yung mga regalo. Bakla. Wala nga akong binili dito eh. Lahat yung bigay. Ito. Dark Phoenix. Jean Grey. Si Scarlet Witch. Ayun yun. Nandito si Scarlet Witch. Yung estudyante dyan, king ina. Bakla. Mag-ipon ka ng pambili ng pangpagawa ng mga photocopy ng mga ng lesson. Hindi yung puro PDF yung pinapasend mo. Ayun, mga ganyan. Mag-ipon kayo. Eto na nga, mabalik tayo sa mga kino-call out natin sa Iniintay ko na lang na ma-call out yung isa. Yung tatlo. Cute mo naman, bro. Tama, bro. Sinahanap ko na lang. Picturean mo nga yun. Alin? Hindi ko na nasusuot to mga papagal. Oo. Kung magre-regalo kayo, ganito. 18 karat na gold, Charis. Joke lang po. Binigay lang to nung binigalo to sa akin ng manager ko. Kasi pasabog, birthday, tsaka birthday, tsaka Christmas gift, iisa. Tsaka New Year's gift. Bah, 3 event sa isang regalo. Totoo. We both wearing white sandal. Anong oras dun? Bakit maliwanag? Nasaan ba siya? Di ba dapat pag araw sa Pilipinas, dito sa Pilipinas, gabi sa kanila? Anong oras na ba saan? Saan ba siya? LA ba siya? Ewan ko. Hindi pala siya updated sa mga ganap dito sa Philippines. Ano nangyari? Bakit nag-lock yung ano? If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party is over, I want someone else you. I wanna hold you just for a moment, and I will the same. What the fuck? Ayun yung ano, matanggal. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. Next to you. Watch me watch the struggle here, so should I? Bakla, ano nangyari? Ano? Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god, Sky, is that you? Wolf is Sky. Alam mo, di ka na nagpupunta ng shows namin. Yung mga nanonood ba? Yung mga pito bang nanonood na yan? Yung Ilona ba na yan? Yung Janice na yan? Tsaka yung Piba pa talaga, nakabili na ba kayo ng ticket sa AE Cafe? AE Cafe, ganon. AE Cafe? Bakalo. Pag wala kayo dun, bakala. June 7 yun. Wag na lang talaga magpakita ever. Ayun, nagawa ko. Para ba siyang si ano, Cassiopeia? Aras ka basta para sa AE ba yun? Isa nga AE. Yun yung ano ko, sasabihin ko nun. AE Cafe. Pronounce. The pronouncement of the pronunciation, the pronunciation. Sa June 6 na ako bibili, love naman ako. Ay, hindi. Yung mga bibili ng June 6, umattend kayo ng show ng June 8. Bakla na, maglalaro na lang nga. Ano pa bang mga gano'n? Ayun nga, so iniintay na lang namin na, alam, nakita niya na ba yung, love you, may pag-gano'n pa siya. Ikaw yun, saksing buhay ka doon, Peaches, di ba? Peaches, saksing buhay ka talaga doon sa nangyari ng sa ano, Kenny Rogers. Oh. Tsaka si Ilona. Kenny Rogers yun. No, that's so freaking gross. That's so kadiri, like, ew. Press 1, ganitong gupit gagawin ko. Ganitong kulay. As of the moment, siya yung favorite kong kubo, pero hindi siya kasya sa lalagyanan, che. Hindi ba siya kasya sa lalagyanan, che? Kasi malaki yung karet ko dati. Amat ko yung kulay. Sana isunod na yung ma-expose. Tapos yung isa din, tapos yung tatlo. Dami naman nila. Sino pa ba? Pero imagine niyo no, sobrang fucked up. Tapos, for sure, hindi lang siya sa drug industry nangyayari. Kasi di ba, like, oh my God! They're using their power. Tapos meron pa nga din ako nakitang post of, yung ano, kung nakita niyo yung show, drag show event sa isang municipality yata yun. Yung mag-judge si Zimba, tapos may kasama siyang dalawang keme. Tapos yung isa pala doon, R-word. Tapos ang daming nag-call out doon. Tapos ang dami niyang victim ng mga mutual ko sa Facebook. Yung iba bagets pa, like hard baget, like 17 yung nung time na ano siya. Parang oh my God, tong mga ano, yung mga parang manager yung mga atake ng mga ano, ganun kaya bulak. I have traumas with no, not trauma to, I have like, ano ba tawag doon? Mga bad feeling, kumbaga, parang gets ko agad, kailangan layuan yan siya. Mga groomer na yun. Easy yung. Like, oh my God, people are doing that? Yes, they do. Do you do that? No, I don't. Ang ginagawa ko lang ay magpaganda. Na-brought up pa yung chika ng ano. Natanong pa ni Manila, "Hi, do you have a boyfriend?" Oh my God, pinakatago-tago na nga yung atake. Tapos biglang, serious, hindi na para Pero in fairness naman, chika ko na nga sa inyo. Parang, oh my God, it happened last Friday. Kailan ako may show nun? Nung may show ako sa saan ba ako may show nung Saturday? Saturday show. Basta it was after the culture event. Saan ba ako may Saturday na show? Oh my God, pakitrack nga yung atake ko. Saturday show. Saan ba ako ng Saturday? Bar Zero. Oh my God, yeah. Diba? Okay naman ako noon. Kasi isang beses lang ako umiyak. Tapos, no. It's okay na. Boys will be boys. Yeah, you're replaceable. Too much to know about me. You must know about me. I can have a night on you. Matter of fact, baby, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can have a night on you, so don't you ever for a second get to thinking you're irreplaceable. Take a ahead and get gone. Si Sabrina nakikipagbarilan, oh. Yes, Bar Zero. And that's just so freaking fun. Kahit may mga kabullshit ang nangyari, na parang, I don't wanna work with that guy anymore. Not Jiro, ha? Diba how you fucking exploit your drag queens? Like, I don't wanna talk. You selfish motherfucker. Sana ikayaman nila yun. May kalaban. Bratatatat. Bratatatat. Mamamatay ako ba eh. Always supporting my best queen. Sino yung best queen mo, Chas? Thank you so much, guys. Kamsahamnida. Ayun. Hello po kay Don Rick Versace. Kaano-ano niyo po si Gando, tsaka si Kylie. Ano po bang amos po? Yung maglalaba ko ng mga pang-draga. Mas maglalabas ako ng mga bagong outfit na hindi ko madalas gamitin. So, yun yung gagamitin ko sa mga shows. Ano pa ba? Naglaban ako ng makeup brushes. What's your hair color? Oh my God, paano ko ba i-explain? Madaming nangyari sa kulay ng buhok ko. So, it started with like red. A hot red color. From color red. Ito yung mga ginagamit ko. And then, I bleached the roots. Then, nilagyan ko siya ng blue. Inombre ko ng like from blue, tas may red, tas parang ombre siya ng purple. Hanggang sa naging purple siya. Tas sinampo ko, naging ganito na. So parang na-realize ko siya na, ay nagla-light siya. Kasi gusto, binleach ko ulit from red, tas binleach ko para makuha ko yung ganito. Hindi siya nag-work. So, kaya siya naging ombre. Tapos ayun, naging purple. And then, sinampo ko, naging ganito na. So, minemaintain ko na lang yung pagiging ganito as of the moment. So, that's my hair story. Hair story. Gusto ko na magpagupit na ewan na ayaw. I don't know. I'm still contemplating. Oh, bakit? I don't know. May nakapansin ba kayo? Mukha bang may gawa sa akin? Kasi napagkamalan ako nung nakaraan. Ano pinagawa mo sa mukha mo, Fiba? Sabi ko, ha? Wala akong pinagawa. Wala yung branding natin na gano'n-gano'n pag may pinagawa ako siya. Na ano ba ako? Ano pinagawa mo? Sabi ko, wala akong pinagawa. Okay, ang daming kalaban. Huwag na dito. Talaga naman. Ang kumpulan ng mga pangit. Wala akong nakuha mga bangon. Good morning. Why are you awake? 6:30 na ba, Lord? Grabe naman, Mambola. Wala pa talaga akong tulog. Nanonood kasi ko sa baba kanina ng Mayhem Kinemen, yung Brazil. Tapos nakakaganon na ako. Sumakit na, naligo na ako para makatulog. Pag akit ko, mag-live nga lang ako ng Barrel. Sumakit si Manila. Ayun, ending. Nauga ang gay. Nag-English pa ako. Uy, balik tayo dun. Mayroon akong barrel. Ayun, go. Go. Bilis. Come on, girl. Come on. Let's go. Ito kaya din itong purple na lightsaber. Is it called lightsaber kahit pang enemy yung ano? Kasi hindi ako mahilig sa Star Wars. I don't watch Star Wars. It's not my thing. Pupunta ka po ba? Hindi po ako invited there. So, hindi ako pupunta. Ano bang araw? Friday. I'm gonna do dentist. Then, pupunta ako ng Mananahe. Or tomorrow na lang para isang lakaran na lang. Kasi hindi ko sure kung tapos na yung Lilac Juno. I don't know kung tapos na siya. Hindi ko pa natatanong kay Nanay Iska if natapos niya na. Pero ginagawa niya na kagabi. So, we will gonna see her pretty soon. Ang kailangan maging ano siya. We're gonna do it like, hello, Ellie. Punta ka sa Sunday sa Rampa, nandun ako. Tsaka si Midnight. Tsaka si Winter. Buo ang VD girls. VD. Ang vowel diba? Si AA, si EE, tsaka si OO. Alam niyo na kung sino si OO. Ang baklang pala na. Si OO. We are the VD. 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 We are the Susta. We have 1 million streams already. Thank you so much sa mga umama mga kasustanatics natin dyan. Mga kasustanatics. We are blessed to have a song from a drag show na pasabog naman. Talaga naman. Ayoko dito. Ito angulo ko. Napanood yun na yung ni evangelism ni Mac. Like, it's so like funny. Rampa ba ang home bar mo? I'm not gonna deny and I'm not gonna confirm it yet, but sa Rampa ako magpe-perform this Sunday. But we manifest to be Rampa, to be Rampa. To be Rampa is to me. Kailangan, we manifest that. Tama mali. Wala namang masama mangarap. Pero kung magiging Rampa na ako, grabe yung pressure siguro for me kasi sobrang dayo. Ang ina mahuhusay. I swear to freaking God. Sobrang ganda ng kung free kayo, punta kayo ngayong Friday, tsaka Saturday and Sunday. Grabe yung mga prod-day. Nung nagre-rehearse sila, ako. Tapos yun nga, inisip ko din, kung magiging kung magiging Rampa Ray na ako, maging part ng Rampa. So, grabe yung kailangan kong habulin. Ganun sila ka-like, so good. Ang galing maging mentor ng Divine Diva. Like, hard. Kasi parang nung nag-start yung Rampa, di ba nakapag-show ako doon, ganyan. Compared, yung, alam niyo yung performances nila. Doon magaganda na, pero ngayon mas nag-improve sila doon. For shit, ang gagaling. Ang ganda ng mga prod. Grabe yung growth na nangyari sa mga Rampa Reyna. Mahuhusay. Design. So, kung free kayo, punta kayo ngayong Friday and Saturday. Siyempre, sa dami niya na Sunday, nandun ako. Talaga naman, hindi pa pupunta, ayun na. Tsaka gets ko kayo. Ano pa ba mga amat ko? Gusto ko mag-tour. Gusto ko makapag-show kila Lava sa Cebu, tsaka kila Moy. Thank you po. Alam mo ba, parang that's so freaking cute and weird at the same time to be called pretty out of drag. Hindi mo yun. Ayoko na lang i-chika, pero basta may guy na parang, you're so pretty. Huh? You're so pretty, why okay. Di ba? Klaro. Okay. Kasi niya alam na nagdadaraga ako. Parang, okay, sige. Cannot Bumblebee, magagas mo rin talaga pag nalaman mo. Ayun, nauga siya. And he was like, ooh, you're so fair, brittle. So, charot. Narinig ko na yan. Taga-LU ka ba? Jansen. Actually, iniintay ko nga, gusto ko sa Hara eh. Nakapag-show ako before sa nung may Rapture LU pa, tapos nakapart pa ako ng Rapture before. Nandun kami ni Arizona nung nakaraan, nung opening nun. Bam! bam, bam. Tignan niyo, purple yung sword ko. Bam. Oh, purple ang sword ni above na girl, na e-girl. Oh. Ay, hindi pala kita. Look at me. Ay, ano ba Sabrina? Ba't yung panty? Oh, look at the purple sword. Lightsaber. So, ayun yung amas. Gusto ko makapag-show sa harap. Uy. Ay, gago. Ang galing. Si Mati ang taga Ilocos, diba? Nakapag-show siya dun sa sa, hindi ko pa, sa kasi sa amin, may magkakaroon ng event. So parang tinatap ako na mag-show. So, iniintay ko na lang yung update. Kasi kailangan pa niya ng parang another 3 creams. So, girl trends na yan, che. Like, girl trends in Bulacan. Oh, let's go. Yeah, sana nga magkaroon ako ng show doon. Gusto ko mag-show sa harap. Ganun, 11 minutes. Naglolo ko yung So, ayan guys. Tama na to. Ayoko na. Kailangan ko mag-charge ng English. Tapos nung Sabrina din, sina Ian nandun. Kaya nakausap ko ng English. Sila na lang hindi mag-usap. Bakul. Hindi na ako makakapagbalat-balat. Kasi look at my tumutubo na siya. Go kung matuloy ako, dalhan kita ng magnet. Oh my God! Bet ko yun. Tsaka yung hindi ko kasi yung amat yung longganisa, mabawang. Hindi ako mahilig sa babawang na Ayun, di ka pa nakakapanood ng live drag show. Sana makapagharalaon yun ng mga above para maamas na yung fantasy. Sabrina for the fly. True. Bakasyon na din yun ulit. Tapos ang unang agenda ng isa kong sister ay umarang. Hindi ko sinasabing si Judith. Yun, baka sabihin nyo, si Judith, hindi si Judith. Bitch, fuck you. You thought you ate, girl, but not in my watch. Mag-iingat kayo today sa mga lakad nyo. At mag-iingat din po tayo sa mga sexual predator. Like Jenny. Wanna rock with Jenny. Hell not like Jenny. Like, what? Hindi si Jenny. Hindi Jenny pangalan niya. Pero ang pangalan niya ay Lady Jenny. Oh my God! lahat ng mga may ano, oh my God, yung mga ano talaga, mga may ano sa name sa rep, hey, 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 Bumblebee, Ekla with Sherbalers. Talaga naman ang mga kampamparahe, mga kimpampara. Talaga naman, mga ang mga kinampamparahe na mga lady. Gets it. Go. Ang piyasa nila ay Lady Marmalade. Korea Lady Marmalade. Abra, 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 kadabra. Mga Lady Marmalade. Mga ka-Lady Marmalade. Abra, 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 kadabra. Girl, no aside, no go. Only dun 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 dun.